वेलकम टू द ब्रॉडकास्ट। स्वागत है आप सभी का यहाँ पे वंस अगेन हेयर इन दिस ब्रॉडकास्ट सेशन। तो यहाँ पे देखने वाले मिनट्स जो कि ग्रीवेंस रिड्रेसल मीटिंग हुई है उसको डिस्कस करेंगे फॉर द बैंक पेंशनर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। सो यहाँ पे आई थिंक एवरी ईयर दिस जो ग्रीवेंस रिड्रेसल मीटिंग्स रहती है उसके मिनट्स शेयर करते ही रहते हैं हम लोग। सो प्लीज़ मेक श्योर करना है इसको शेयर जरूर कर देना फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ इम्पॉर्टेंट अपडेट फॉर मैनी एंड मे नॉट बी इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अदर्स, बट कुछ के लिए ये इम्पॉर्टेंट हो सकती है फ्रेंड्स। सो और सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंटली लाइक कर देना वीडियो को, प्लीज़ लाइक द एफर्ट्स, बिकॉज यू नो मेकिंग द वीडियोस एंड वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर द सेम मैटर इज़ रियली उसमें हार्ड वर्क लगता है फ्रेंड्स। So meeting of grievance redressal meeting with the representatives of the retired employees unions and associations held at head office Bangalore on 27th of 9 2023। सो जो मिनट्स हैं उसकी मीटिंग अभी शेयर करने लगे हैं फ्रेंड्स आफ्टर सो मैनी रिक्वेस्ट। सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट जो दैट इज़ रिगार्डिंग द group medical insurance scheme for the retirees, subsidizing the huge premium that is being paid by the retirees. The representatives of the management informed that the benefits available to retirees is covered under budget allocation of staff welfare measures on yearly basis based on government guidelines. So further, IBA group medical insurance policy is extended to all the retirees as per the bipartite settlement and joint note, and bank is only facilitating the retirees in getting the policy renewed. Next is the extending the rebate on the lockers hired by retirees from 25% to 50%, which was assured by our beloved MD and CEO. The representatives of the management informed that the matter is under examination. तो ये matter under examination है. Rate of interest on employees pension loan need for reduction at least to be on par with clean OD rate of interest charged to serving employees and officers. The representatives of the management informed that presently the ROI on pension loan is 11.25 and clean OD है जो उसका ROI कितना है दोस्तों 8% है. So matter shall be looked into by the concerning जो बैंक है. Next is after the clarification regarding the newly introduced stagnation increment in 8th joint note need for proper interpretation. The representatives of the management informed that the arrears on account of newly introduced stagnation increment in 8th joint note has already been settled, so individual cases if any may be shared with us by taking up the circles. Providing online facility for updating address, mobile number and email ID of retirees in Canarite apps. The representative of the management informed that the request made is not feasible since updation of details are subjected to verification and due diligence. So यहाँ पे ये मीटिंग ऑकर हुई है फॉर द कैनराइट ऑल द कैनरा बैंक टू सेलिब्रेटिंग आज़ादी का अमृत महोत्सव, पेमेंट ऑफ एक्स ग्रेशियर टू ऑल द पेंशनर्स on the lines of SBI. The representative of management informed that in our bank under staff welfare measures, rupees 3,000 per month is paid to all pre-1986 retirees, both regular family pensioners, apart from rupees 10,000 ex gratia being paid every month as per the IBA guidelines. सो हॉलीडे होम फैसिलिटी मुझे सबसे अच्छी यही लगती है. रिक्वेस्ट फॉर रिमूविंग सर्टन रिस्ट्रिक्शंस and suggestions for the optimal use of holiday home. So remove the restriction of booking a particular holiday home once in a calendar year and make it at least once in a quarter. Increasing the number of rooms to a minimum 10 in all the places, especially where there is a great demand for holiday homes, and reserving minimum 40% of rooms for the retirees. So stipulating a caution deposit of rupees 1,000 and forfeiting the same in the event of non-cancellation of rooms before 7 days of checking. So काफ़ी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं जो यहाँ पे ग्रीवेंस रिड्रेसल मीटिंग ऑफ कैनरा बैंक में अच्छी मुझे लगी हैं. रिक्वेस्ट फॉर अफिक्सिंग द कंबाइंड फोटो ऑफ पेंशनर एंड डिपेंडेंट हैंडीकैप चिल्ड्रन इन द PPO. The representatives of the management informed that the details of physically challenged dependents are already uploaded in HMS Further, a letter is being sent to pensioners confirming the updation of same. Next is request for charging ROI on education loan both inland and foreign to the ward of retired employees at par with that of employees. The representatives of the management informed that at present the ROI on education loan to ward of employees and ex-employees is almost same that is on the RBLR. Proper treatment of retirees who are also senior citizens by the branch staff, need for guiding the branch officials by ROCOHO in their meeting interface and issuing suitable advisory to the branches. The representatives of the management informed that the branches and offices are being sensitized to render proper and courteous services to the retirees and the senior citizens. VSL and OD against staff term deposit. Branches are unable to extend slab rate of interest to retirees on account of lack of provisions in CBS and need for introducing multi-level interest product code for OD for employees and ex-employees. The representatives of the management informed that the subject functionally is already effective in CBS. Next is calling for explanation and initiation of departmental action after expiry of period of limitation of 4 years sent by the bank. Need for reiteration of the guideline to all the circles. The representatives of the management informed that as per the pension regulations, no departmental proceedings, if not instituted while the employee was in service, shall be instituted in respect of event which took place more than 4 years before such institutions. So, defending the charge sheet retired officers by the representatives of Retired Officer Association, need for restoring the abruptly withdrawn CILTIC. सो यहाँ पे दोस्तों ये बहुत ही लेंथी है, तो इसको मैं थोड़ा सा आपको सर्कुलेट कर देता हूँ स्क्रीन के ऊपर ही। तो प्लीज़ अगर आपको कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यहाँ पे लगता है तो उसे ट्राई करना खुद से स्टडी करने के लिए, because this will be a very lengthy video otherwise. Returning GST on wrong amount wrongly collected by bank. So यहाँ पे काफ़ी important steps हैं, so ये मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी लगी। We suffer more in imagination than in reality. ये तो मैं खुद इस चीज़ के ऊपर पीड़ित हूँ, तो सफ़र इमेजिनेशन में ज़्यादा नहीं करना चाहिए than in reality. So very good quote that I was going through. So that's all for this session, and please take care and subscribe to channel for the latest banking and pension related updates. Bye bye, take care all, and see you in the next video.